we say to people who say our price is too high, look, people love to complain. I get that. But say that your groomers are certified and you're going to come at their convenience, not someone else's. And maybe you can even video them if they're quasi about that. They're not quite sure that that's something they like. But, just say we made a decision a long time ago. We were going to be quality over price. I hope you can support that. And that's kind of it. And then maybe you're going to say, so when can we book your appointment? Because I know you want the best for your pet. But we're getting so caught up in we hear this and we think, oh, I'm too expensive. I say raise your prices, for God's sake. I don't want to be that close to the next guy. Because at the end of the day, the expectations you set is going to be much better than dumbing down and dumbing down. And that's what's wrong with most retail.